Are you a homeowner looking to sell your home for top dollar? If so, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Ace Nguyen from Ace Estate with Keller Williams Realty, and today I'm going to share with you the 5 easy things you can do to maximize your home value and attract top dollar offers. First, clean and declutter your home. A clean and clutter-free home is more appealing to potential buyers. So make sure to clean your home thoroughly and remove any unaccessed clutter to create a more spacious and inviting environment. Second, make necessary repairs. Before putting your home on the market, make a list of low-cost repairs that need to be done, such as fixing leaky faucet, patching holes in the walls, and cleaning or replacing grout in the kitchen or bathroom. You want to consider doing a home inspection up front to see what significant work might need to be done. Third, enhance your curb appeal. First impressions are critical, so make sure your home exterior look is best by trimming overgrown bushes, laying ground covering such as bark, power washing the exterior, or painting the front door. Fourth, stage your home. Staging can help potential buyers envision themselves living in your home. Rearrange your furniture, add decorative touches, and create a cohesive look throughout the home. And finally, price it right. In today's market, as a seller, you need to be competitive in your list price so you don't become stale in the market. That's why it's essential to work with an experienced real estate professional to show you all the current market data and so comparable in the neighborhood. Thank you for watching. If you're looking to sell your home, contact my team and me today so we can help you strategize the sale of your home and guide you through every step of the way. You deserve to get the most money from your home investment. And as always, we're here to turn dreams into reality, one home at a time.